Alrighty, let's do the simple way to do a Reels, okay? So first of all, you're going to create a story using Canva. I typically use Canva from the desktop. It's much better, it's more clean. So you're going to basically have your story created. That's a very, kind of self-explanatory. You pretty much go to story. Let's say you like this one. Oh, cool. I'm going to be changing my website here. My website. Boom. And the rest is done. So I'm going to be saving as or downloading as a video. Boom. Download it. So there's a good chance that when we download this directly from the app, it's not going to look pretty. And that's why I don't love it that much. But let's just see if it works. So we have it here. Oh, winter deals. Oh, this is so cool. Okay, perfect. So I have a video that Canva made for me in 3 seconds. I'm going to open my Instagram. I'm going to hit plus. I'm going to go to Reels. I'm going to do this. I'm going to add that. Oh, and that has music, even better. But let's say that I want another music. So I'm going to go to audio. I'm going to put my record. Perfect. And I'm going to hit next. Next. And here is your tutorial. Boom. And remember that here you can just, put hashtags and things like that and share. Is that simple? That simple. Look at Jules. Yeah, she did this. This is also a Canva effect. Very, very simple to do as well. Questions from here, from these basic Reels. Question.